Hi, I'm Sam Temple. I'm playing Sean in Reaching Orpheus, which is an original play coming to the Paradise Center for the Arts at the beginning of April. It's been a lot of fun to work with the entire cast and crew. I've worked with them in a variety of different projects. This is my second time being directed by Rathbun, who is not only our director, but is also the playwright for this original show. The most challenging part of this role has been the heavy subject matter. This is a show that has to deal with not just the random, traumatic incidents that happen in people's lives, but how those random, 1 in a million accidents also play into family drama, broken families, conflicted relationships. So it's all been very authentic. So tapping into all that can be a lot of draining for all of the actors involved. But taking those authentic emotions and turning it into a unique and honest piece of theater has been very rewarding, but we also have had to take moments to stop, pause, and make sure we're all doing okay before moving forward. Audience members coming to see Reaching Orpheus will get to be transported to the mythical land of Colorado, am I saying that right? And they'll get to see a lot of themselves in the characters presented. Everyone that's being presented are very authentic, very natural characters, and they're dealing with the sort of everyday, mundane tragedies and conflicts that everyone has to deal with, and not just that, but deal with grief, deal with growth. It's not just one path all the way to the top and everything gets better. Grief and healing and forming new relationships and mending old relationships is messy, and it's something a lot of people can relate to. Audience members coming to see Reaching Orpheus can expect a very cathartic and resonant experience.